The Dreame H11 wet and dry vacuum cleaner have been using it for some time and found this little cute guy is really helpful when it comes to home mess cleaning. There are many things that a normal vacuum cleaner cannot do. What's that? Let's take a closer look. Start with unboxing. Open the box, you will find some paperwork like a quick guide and a very detailed user manual. Then you will have a charging adapter, a filter, a brush, a cat. No, that's not included in the box.
Okay.
Anyway, for what's in the box, I'm not going to list everything here. I bet you already watched some other reviewers unboxing. Let's jump directly to the cleaning ability. I put through all kinds of spills and stains and found that the Dreame H11 was just great. It comes with 5,500 per suction, which can easily pick up wet dirt like Coke, noodles or soup, ketchup, and even broken eggs. Actually, it not only cleans wet dirt but also dry ones. Long hair, no problem. I'm happy with the Dreame H11's performance because I didn't even put it to the max suction mode. Speaking of that, I want to mention the noise. Normally this kind of wet and dry cleaner requires a more powerful engine to generate the suction needed, and the result is usually pretty loud. But the noise on the H11 is totally acceptable. If you put to the turbo mode, it's only around 65 decibels. That's the normal conversation level, which is quite good. After you finish your mopping, you can put it back on the charging dock and activate the self-cleaning cycle by pressing once on the clean button. Then it starts a self-cleaning session. It takes about 2 minutes as it flushes fresh water through the brush roller and tubes for hands-free maintenance. And then you empty the dirty tank after the self-cleaning is complete. Alright, now let's talk about something that I really like about the Dreame H11 and why you might really consider this one instead of others. First is intuitive design. It's really easy to use. It has suction, mopping and self-wash features in one compact body. You can clean wherever you want in your room. It comes with a 4.4-inch color LED screen, which clearly shows you the status of your machine. And of course, it has an intelligent voice assistant.
Voice prompt off. Voice prompt on.
Second is, compared to other normal vacuum cleaners, it comes with a self-washing roller brush. So for users, you don't even need to wash manually, just press the self-washing button and the H11 did all the work. The H11 embedded a serrated scrub design, which boasts a deep cleaning for roller brush. To conclude, this Dreame H11 is a great cleaning machine for small or large homes and apartments, providing the option to vacuum and mop all at once without breaking your bank. In addition to those features I mentioned before, it has a long battery life, a large clean water tank, and automatic adjustment of suction level. And if you are interested in this product, you can find out the link in the description. I'm Sammy, I will see you in the next one.